Will she wear sandals on her date? Leslie needs to fix 6 problems. It's a real challenge for the pro. Can she do it? Problem 1. Hard cuticles. Slime will make the cuticles soft and workable. Leslie worked barefoot and hasn't had a pedicure in ages. But her date suddenly asked her to wear sandals. The date's in an hour. Will Leslie fix all the problems? Problem 2. Dry feet. Moisturizing gel will help soften rough skin. The pro is trying to get it all done. It's very neglected. Problem 3. Exfoliate dead cells. A mustard mask will loosen dead skin and calluses. Leslie has always skimped on rest and self-care. She's raising 3 kids alone. She's going on a date for the first time since her divorce. Problem 4. Making skin look healthy. Coffee scrub stimulates blood circulation. Leslie's date asked her to the dance. Problem 5. Relieve fatigue. A massage and a warm bath relaxes her feet. Cooling gel tones it. Problem 6. Ungroomed yellow toenails. Ugh, this is insane. Will she wear sandals? All hopes rest on the Miracle Pro. Leslie will win her date over with salsa in sandals. Do you think he'll notice her pedicure?